welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nisharana and I am from Nelspruit, just in case you're wondering. I went to the mall. Well, I went to the shopping center and I managed to pick up a few things. So I'm here. I don't know if I've already started on this vlog or what, but I'm just gonna share the stuff that I got from the shops with you guys. Also, I just came back from somewhere. My wig is literally pulling back, so I need to take it off so that I can rest. But first and foremost, I went to Pep. Okay, the lighting is not so great. I went to Pep and we got some wipes. These were 60 ones. We got some wipes. I don't know what's happening, but the lighting kind of off. I also went to Clicks. I got some Lillet sanitary towels. These are the ultra thin ones in regular. So yeah. I've got this pure soap because also this is great for people with eczema, so I got the soap for my son. And I got my deodorant. This time around I bought the even tone. Guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's later in the day. Yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock and I'm trying to get this part of the vlog done so that I can start using the things in here. I got this, I'd like to call it a piggy bank, but yeah, for just to save some money, especially the coins. It was 20 rand from Value and Co. Also, I went to Van Heerden Pharmacy. I got my son the Stop Itch cream. Please excuse my hands, okay? The Stop Itch cream. I mix it with his Aquas cream for his condition. And I also went to other one, Russell Pharmacy. I got this one. I think I need to go back on my videos. I feel like I got the wrong one. I don't know. Hydrocortisone. I need to go back on one of my previous vlogs where I did a haul. Oh, okay. Also, from Value and Co, I got my cards just for the house when there's like load shedding and we don't have anything to do. Also, just to give us break from the screen, TV, phones, yeah. So I just want us to keep busy to entertain without having to rely on the screen every time. And then I also went to this it's a body shop. It's a cosmetic shop. I don't know, I kind of forgot the name. I got this I've been trying out things, okay? Last month I got the Verox one, so this month I decided to buy the Mona Lisa. It's olive oil based. So far I tested out and I like the formula. I got my SOS. This really, it doesn't really take out the, well, not that fast. It does. It's a very slow process, but also the texture on my skin is kind of like, so my skin is a little bit softer now. So hence this is my third buy. I don't know. I'm rushing, like I don't know why, but I am. Bought concealer for contouring. forgot how much this was, but it's like you get your vitamin C, your hyaluronic acid and retinol. I'm still yet to buy glycolic and salicylic and AHA Abutane. I've been doing my homework when it comes to skincare and what, so I'm still yet to get those other, because now I have vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, retinol. Yes, I still need glycolic, salicylic acid, the AHA Abutane. I don't know if it's one thing or it's different. And also, what else do I need to get? Because I do have it has a niacinamide, so I'm gonna get those 3, and then as well as like a sunscreen. That's what I'm gonna get. So this is what it looks like. I can't remember how much I paid, but I think I paid about a little bit over 400 rand. And also I bought this. So it says whitening. I want whitening, brightening. We're just gonna test it out and we'll see how it goes. So I'm doing this haul because I want to start using this product today. I bought them yesterday, so I want to start using them today. And also I bought this kojic soap. Also apparently kojic is really good. If you watch blended, I think it's blended by Bandi or something. She's on TikTok, one beautiful lady. She has a perfect skin. She teaches about skincare. I've got flosses, dental floss into big. Okay. Oh, it's a 2-in-1, really. Looks like this. I've got flosses. And I got this contour palette. It's basically a 3-in-1. Let me open this. It's a 3-in-1, you guys. Can't open it. But the contour, you see, you get the highlighter here, you get the contour and the blush as well. I hope you guys can see. It doesn't look the same, but also the contour is almost like goldish. We'll see. We're just gonna give it a try and see. But also because I do have different people with different skin tones, so I'm just thinking it might not work to like darker girls and it will work to lighter skinned girls. Also I bought another concealer for highlighting, and my favorite, I got her. She's a body spray. I didn't realize also Heavenly has like these body sprays. I thought they only had like body spritzes or body mist, those. But the moment I saw this, I was like, I'm getting her because I just fell in love. She looks really cute. But don't, she's pink after all. Okay, I look shiny, guys. I have makeup on just to look decent, but now it's later on, so my makeup kind of it's kind of like fade away. I got this pen. The moment I saw it, I actually bought 2. The other one is paper, but I've already given it to my sister. So this is how this pen looks like. It is so cute. It is so cute. Okay. And yeah, guys, I think that's about it. That's all the stuff that I got. And I got some food stuff, but they already, some have been eaten and some they're just like in the cupboard space. I got like noodles, macaroni, some beef spices. We got a lot, and I don't know. We bought like other food stuff today. I don't know if I should show you guys that. I'm gonna try. I'll see how I feel about it. And then yeah, if you say it, you see it, and if you don't, then you just have to know that I've decided against it. But yeah, let me leave you here for now, guys. And yeah, I'm really tired. I've already drunk water. My feet are swollen because I was out and about yesterday and today as well, so I'm not used to that. My feet are not used to it, so they're a bit swollen. They're not painful, they're just heavy. I'm just gonna rest a bit, and then because already I'm back, so now my child, he's gonna need his mom. Okay, so I need to be a mother for now. Just rest a bit, and then later on I'm gonna have to take off this week because one, guys, like my wig, I don't know if my face is too oily or what, but like my wig is actually pulling back on its own. It's pulling back, and my makeup is not makeuping anymore. So let me, I this install 8. Okay, let me go, guys, and relax a little bit. Also, I'm gonna chat with my sister. I don't know what she wants to tell me, but I'm gonna chat with her a little bit and do mother things. And yeah, we'll talk. I don't know when, but we'll talk, guys. Okay, I don't know, but I'm so excited, man. Oh, also, guys, a little bit of a story time now. There was a situation I think I didn't mention on my last vlog. I was booked for a makeup. There was this person. She was getting married, so her as a bride and her bridesmaid, 7 of them, they booked me for to do their faces, right? So we arranged and we agreed on price. I don't really charge a lot because also you have to do a target market. You can't be expensive to people who can't afford those services. So you need to do the stuff, like you have to do your target markets, and yeah, so that you know the people can actually afford the amount that you're charging them. So I charge them a certain amount. I don't know if I feel comfortable now. I'm a little bit unsure, but if I feel comfortable enough to share my prices, I will. But also, if you check my social, my Facebook, my prices are there. But I charge them that price for makeup, for a face bit, right? And I didn't even do booty. I didn't even differentiate booty, it's bridal or what. I just charged them like the same price. So now I'm about to restock up on my makeup. On Friday, I was meant to do their makeup today. So yesterday, I went to sit with them so that you can just like prepare yourself, and in terms of like time and how you're gonna do your things. And I was like, yeah, man, I completely forgot. I didn't even forget because I thought we were still on the same page. Like they've booked me already, so we just need to confirm the time. Now I'm calling them, and then they start telling me, Guti, they only have like 100 and how about I do each of them. They're gonna give me 100 for each person. Remind you, I am doing a bride and 7 bridesmaid. So now they're saying they're gonna give me 100 per person. I was like, no, that's not how I work. They were like, oh no, it's fine because you're too expensive. So we think we're gonna find another makeup artist, and then of which I think they did. And Mina, I was gonna spend more money because like I do, even if I do your makeup, I still have makeup, I still have like brushes. I can just wash those brushes and sort of like um what anti disinfect them, like in terms of bacteria. And I prepare, that's how I do my business, because I can't buy brushes and beauty blenders every time a customer book me. I just wash the ones that I have, and if I feel like something is old, I need to replace it, then I do so. But I don't like get brushes every time somebody requests for my services, right? So I just wanted to grab like few things, because before I do your makeup, I just like to pamper you first to give you that experience. Yeah, well, so they really missed out, Mona, because they are cancelled on me due to my prices. And also, how are you getting married when you don't really have like the budget for it? Like, I think they were taking advantage of me just because they know that I'm a good person, I'm calm, and so they just sort of like wanted to take advantage of me. But we ended up canceling, guys. So I'm glad that I spoke to them before I could actually go to the store and sort of like buy those extra things for their treatment before makeup. And I'm so grateful to my boyfriend, because he said call them, let them find out. But also I didn't feel comfortable, because there's something, when people need your services, they should be the one like chasing you, or rather running after you, instead of like always you as the service provider calling them, are you still on, are we still going to do what we say we're gonna do? It feels like sort of like desperation, and also it almost feels like I am shoving my service through, like I'm sort of like shoving my services down their throats, and I didn't want it to seem that way. So but I did, and I'm glad I did, because I was gonna lose and I was gonna feel so bad, I was gonna regret it. So I'm glad I did. But nonetheless, yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, guys, let me go and do my stuff. I will see you guys later. Also, somebody kept a chocolate. Yeah. I am so tempted to open it, but it's not mine. So let me leave it here. Anywho, guys, let's go do mommy stuff.